This is the SMT WorkShop of light mount. Have you seen the mounter behind me? It is an important Hitachi high-speed mounter, which is matched with an automatic plate brush machine to realize the high-speed automatic production of production line. This Hitachi mounter has an advantage, whose SMT gripper is the same plate grab that can avoid the mixed material caused by traditional multi-plate grab, and further guarantee the product color consistency. For similar high-speed mounter and automatic plate brush machine, there are 9 groups behind me, which ensure our daily production capacity of 4kk. This is the detection procedure after reflow soldering. The detection method is full inspection. Now we can see that what we are doing is pressing the plate to light up. We can detect whether the light bead has LED damage, broken lamp, color difference, and other problems. This is the quality inspection position, which has many functions. Among them, the inspection and confirmation that the first part of the order is particularly important. Each order will produce a first part, and the order will not be mass-produced until the first part is confirmed to meet the requirements of the order and signed by the quality inspector. This area is a material area in the SMT workshop, which include 2 parts at present. One is the resistor area on my right-hand side, where you can see the densely packed reels on the shelf. Let's take any of them to have a look. According to the order requirements, the company will use resistors with different resistance values to match the corresponding light beads, and finally meet customers' customized requirements for the light source. This is another part of the material area, steel mesh placement area. Steel mesh is the automatic plate brush machine we saw before, which is used when brushing solder paste. A steel mesh represents a model. You can know there are a lot of product models for colors,